If you've ever wanted to make captions easier to read in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change caption font size on Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a great fix if the default captions feel too small, especially if you use captions often for videos, accessibility, or just better viewing comfort. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser itself because these settings are built right into Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can manage everything from appearance to privacy and accessibility. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find different categories, and the one we need is Accessibility. Click Accessibility to open the accessibility options. Inside the accessibility section, you should see options related to captions and reading preferences. Now click Caption Preferences. This is where Chrome lets you customize how captions look across supported content. If you've been searching for a way to make subtitles more readable, this is the menu you need. Next, scroll down until you find Caption Size. This option controls how large the caption text appears. When you find it, click the drop-down button next to it. Chrome will show you a few size options, and from here you can choose a larger font size. For most people, 150% is a great starting point because it makes captions noticeably bigger without taking over the screen. If you want them even larger, select 200%. As soon as you choose your preferred size, Chrome will apply the change automatically. You don't need to restart the browser or save anything manually. After that, your captions should appear at the new size whenever they're displayed in Chrome-supported content. And that's it. You've successfully changed the caption font size on Google Chrome. It only takes a minute, but it can make a huge difference in readability and comfort. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.